Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today, another tool. This is Laser 6219. This is set for rounded bolts. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. Laser 6219 damaged nut and screw remover. This is some specification. Everything coming in nice hard plastic case, and the sockets are from 8 to 19 millimeters. It's every one socket, yeah, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Also, we're getting impact screwdriver. Here's adapter and 4-6 beads for it, so we can remove the screws as well. It's all different sizes, flat, and here are longer beads. Okay, now I would like to show you how it works. For this test I will use this rounded bolt. So here is bolt. This is rounded bolt for 13 mm socket. The standard socket won't work. Laser socket. Straight away. Of course, this wasn't very tight, but you can move bolt easily with this socket. Now again, laser socket with the impact driver on it. Hammer on. And the same. No problem to move. Also very handy for screws. Impact driver make a job as well. I think this is a very good price for this set. The socket works in both directions. You can loose a bolt and you can torque the bolt again, not like most popular socket which you can just loosen the bolt but you can't torque it. Also you're getting a impact screwdriver as well, so I think it's worth it. And Laser, of course, making a very good tools. The link for this set you can get in the description and in the comment below. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you like my video, please leave me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.